going on, everybody? Welcome back. To have an update here. I know last kind of farm activity we did was plowing the field or tilling it. But we did end up going to see a local beekeeper, and now I'm interested in trying to get some bees. So we got some wood already here. Yeah, it was on Sunday we went to see the beekeeper, and then the following day somebody brought us some wood so we can make us some beehives. So that'll be the next project we're working on here, is using this to make some hives. I know it might be a bit thick. I think the standard thickness would be 3/4, but we'll have to make do since we're gifted this wood to make that. So I'll keep everybody updated. I know we've got to measure everything out and get some plans going to build them, but I'll share that once that's available. But yeah, I've never been a carpenter or anything like that, and this will be the first attempt, so hopefully it goes well. Ish. Yeah, that was the goal, to stack them like that so they can hopefully dry easier. Hopefully that'll work. And yeah, hopefully this weekend I'll start cutting it. But yeah, let's see. I think these are all different sizes, unfortunately. So this is 2.5, 3, 2.5, by 20. All right, welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to get started on cutting these boards. So we're going to pick up 2 of these boards, bring them over there. They're a bit different dimensions here. We got a 2.5 centimeter, and then we also have a 3 centimeter one. So I've never done any kind of carpentry, so hopefully this works out. We're kind of doing this on a budget, so we don't have to spend too much. We got this wood for free. So, yep. I got some practice cuts right here. So we'll cut a couple more. 10 centimeter. Another 10 centimeter. Yeah, this wood's kind of damaged already. But that'll be the cut area. And kind of got this older saw thing that was probably sitting in the storage for quite a while. But looks like it has all the normal bells and whistles on here. Yeah, it looks straight enough. Alright, here's a photo of my drawings. So, with 2.5, this one will be 50 centimeters long, and it's already 20 tall. So this one's 50, this one's 45. But we need to cut off the ugly end here, because it looks pretty bad on the ends there. We gotta get a good piece, unless maybe we can start. Not really. So I'll just do a practice one with, I'll just go 20 and then go from there. Alright, I have this cute little thing. It's hard to say what the 90 is, but yeah, I guess it's pretty obvious. So we have a straight line here. Yes, we've screwed it up already. Alright, first live cut on this guy. So we're going to do the innermost one and keep it right here. Ooh, it's a good cut, I think. Sure. And then this is the thinner one, so we're gonna do 50. Is that right? I already forget. Yeah, 50. Let me double check. So, yeah, the thin one we're doing 50 centimeter. Yeah, I kind of got a little crooked there at the end. But hopefully that's not too much of an issue. Some things can be sanded down, but we have our first. So it's 20 by 50. So this will be the front of a hive, like this. Yeah. 50. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I mean, it might be a bit of a hair off, but overall, I think it looks good. It's, yeah. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. So yeah, this will be 2 fronts, and then that's, so only 4 of those, and then 4 of those, and this is going to be 45 centimeters. So it's not exactly like the, is it Langstroth hive, but it's going to be that sort of style. Trying to base it off of that, but we'll have to make frames another day on this here. But yeah, I'll get cutting. But either way, it's looking good. Front and back. I think that's what you want to see when they match up exactly like this. Yeah, looks good. Alright, so I'll do that 2 more times on this one, and then we'll be back. Alright, so just about done halfway with the thicker ones. So this is what we're looking at for these. So it's gonna look something like this. Maybe this is a bit on the large side, but this matches up the measurements, so this should be pretty accurate for all this. So that's kind of the size we're looking at here. Is that kind of big? Might be kind of a big. Oh, it'll work out something like that, but we'll see. Yeah, so just gonna cut the last two here. We'll probably put these together another day, and then from there we'll do the frames as well. I'll have to figure out how I'll cut things from this wood as well to make everything fit nicely on that. So, yep.